Yes. Hello, good afternoon, students. We all have completed self-practice 10A in our previous class. Now today we have to do self-practice 10B. Before starting, we will have a small revision on it. Okay. So before it, in self-practice 10B, we have to know what is calendar. What is calendar? So I think all must have seen the calendar, correct? All must be aware of calendar. So you have noticed one thing. There are 7 days in a week. Am I correct? 7 days in one week. And those are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the last one is Sunday. These are the days of the week. So what are the days of the week here? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So total how many days are there? 7 days, and they are being given different names. 7 different names are also there, na? So they are being 7 different days. Which is the first day? Monday. First day, as it is coming first. And which is the last day? Sunday, because Sunday is coming at the last. Okay. First day is Monday and last day is Sunday of the week. Now, next, how many months are there in a year? 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. And what are the name of those months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So total how many? Total how many months are there in a year? There are total 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay. Now, after that, what are the things we should know about the calendar? This is about weeks and month. Now, how many days are there in a year? So, there are 365 days in a year. There are 365 days in a year. But after every 4th year, there is a leap year. 4th year, leap year has February of 29 days, that is 366 days. How many days are there in a leap year? 360 days, and in normal normal year there are 365 days. Okay. Now next is, which month have how many days? In which month how many days are there in a number? So this we talk about number of days in a year. The total how many days are there? Normal year 365 days, and in the leap year 360 days because of one leap year. Okay. Now see, months which have 31 days. 31 days, which month are there? And 30 days, which months are there? Now you see, for your easiness I can tell you, on your fist you can count who are having 31 days and who are having 30 days. See, January, it is above, na? 31 days. Then little bit it is downward side, na? 30 days. So February we all know that 28 days or 29 days. Leave it. March again came up, 31 days. April down, 30 days. May above, 31 days. Okay. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. Then come again in the starting, August, 31 days. Okay. After August, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31 days. So which are coming on the mount? Above one, those are 31 days, and below one are of 30 days. Leaving one, that is your February, that is of 28 or 29 days. Okay. So see here, January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These are how many days? 31 days. Okay. We all know that February, it may be 28 or 29 days. Okay. It after every 4 years it have 29 days. Then April, June, September and November having 30 days. September and November. Now, so how many months have 31 days? Can you tell? 7 months. How many months have 30 days? 4 months. And leaving February maybe 28 or 29. Okay. Now some little more thing we can study in a short. 1 week, how many days? 7 days. 1 year, 12 months, or 366 or 365 days, or 365 days. Then after that what comes? 10 years. When we calculate 10 years, na, we say it as a decade. Decade means 10. And when we complete 100 years, we say it as a century. What do you say for 100 years? Century. Okay. So this is about the days and dates. Okay. Days and date. Now, let's start self-practice 10B. Okay. Now, let us start self-practice 10B. This was the explanation about the chapter. Okay. This is about the explanation. Now, we are going to start it. Let us see how. Now see here, in the first question, 1 month calendar is being made, correct? So that is of May 2019. Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now from Wednesday 1 is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and at last 31. Okay. Now one more thing I will tell you. If you see now that Monday is falling on which day? 6, 13, 20, 27. If you add 7 to a number like 6 plus 7, 13. So again it will be Wednesday. Okay. Good trick now. Suppose today is 10. And if I ask next Monday will be what? Easy. Add 7 to it. What you got? 17. Next Monday will be 17. Okay. Can you see it here now? Every month, every week, adding 7 to it, that date is coming. The same way you can do in your normal life. Suppose anyone asks, what will be the date on Friday? So today is 10, and after how many days Friday will fall? Today is 10 January 2022. The next will be what? Friday. The Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So plus 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Okay? 14. So what will be the date on Friday? 14. What will be the date on next Friday? So 14 plus 7, 21. Correct? Is it easy? Now, which day of the week is May 8? First A question. Which day of the week is 8? Wednesday. Wednesday. Now, B part. How many Sundays are there in the given month? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Sundays are there? 4. Now C part. What is the date of first Wednesday? What is the date on first Wednesday? 1st May 2019. Okay? 1st May 2019. Write the date 11 days after May 7. Write the date 11 days after May 7. So 7 plus 11? 18. Huh? 7 plus 11? 18. It will be 18 May 2019. What will be the date? 18th May 2019. Am I correct? Is it correct now? Are you feeling easy to do calendar? Now, next see question number 2. Write the name of each month. So you can say, just now I have explained you. 3rd month is March. Then 7th month July, and 9th month September. 9th month September. Okay. 3rd month March, 7th month July, and 9th month September. Okay. So now last question number 3. So let's do the last question of this exercise, that is question number 3. look at the calendar of 2019 and then you have to follow the questions. So you can see this calendar of 2019. It is given on your page number 167. Can you see it here? Calendar of 2019 given on page number 167. Sorry, 167. This is about the calendar. Okay? Can you see? Now, how many Fridays are there in the month of September? Now you have to see from the calendar. Open September. How many Fridays are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many Fridays are there in a month of September? So there are total 4 Fridays. 4 Fridays. Total 4 Fridays are there in the month of September. Next, how many months are there after February until the end of the year? Now see, February is the second month. February is the second month and total how many months are there? 12 months. So 12 minus 2. January, February, 2 are left. So 12 minus 2, so how many months are left in that? There are 10 months. How many months are left? 10 months are left in a year. Okay. Now see the C. A month birthday is in the 9th month. His birthday is on the 9th. Which day of the week is his birthday? See. Now see the calendar. Okay. First of all, you have to see the calendar, na? So, 9th month. So, which is the 9th month? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It is coming in the September. 9th month is September. And 9th day. So, that is, see the calendar. 9th day of September is Monday. So, what will come? Monday. Okay, what will come here? Monday. Which day of the week is the 14th day in December? Which day of the week is 14th day in September? That is Saturday. That is Saturday. Now comes the E part. Rekha gets a haircut on the last Sunday of every month. When will Rekha get a haircut in April? Last Sunday. So last Sunday of April will be which one? 28th of April. 28th of April. Now see the F1. On what day is the Independence Day in the year 2019? So when is that Independence Day? You write it here, 15th August. When is your Independence Day? 15th August. Now check the calendar, when is 15th of August? That is Thursday. No? Thursday. That is Thursday. You should know both the things, na? Okay? 15th of August is on Thursday. Mrs. Sharma is the sport director in a school. If she gets paid every Tuesday, how many paycheck will she get in August? Every Tuesday, to see how many Tuesdays are there in which month? August. So how many Tuesdays are falling in August? Can you see? 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The total 4. Okay. Now last H part. To mark the end of the old session and start of the new session, Rahul School has holidays from 28 February to 21 March. Count the number of the vacation. So see here, 28 March to 28 February to 21 March. So you know that how many days are there in March? There now 21 and including one because February is of 28 days. And as it is 2019, that is not divisible by 4, that is not a leap year. Okay, leap year can be divided by 4. Okay, that is not a leap year. So you can write here in a short, Feb 1 day plus March, how many days? 22. The total how many? 21. The total how many days? 22 days. So how many days are there? 22 days. Correct? So how many holidays are there? 22 days holiday will be there. Okay?